In this video, we listed the 5 best welding systems that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ARCCAPTAIN Stick Welder. This ARCCAPTAIN 2-in-1 welding machine is designed for convenience, precision, and safety, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. The intelligent LED screen provides clear, accurate data without removing your helmet, and Synergic Control automatically adjusts current and voltage based on electrode size for smooth, stable welding performance on 6010, 6011, 6013, and 7018 rods, weighing only 7.2 cm. It is lightweight, portable, and easy to carry anywhere with the included handle and shoulder strap. Choose between stick and lift TIG modes, with adjustable hot start, arc force, and automatic anti-stick for easier strikes and cleaner welds on stainless steel, mild steel, and other metals. TIG torch not included. Built with advanced MCU control, IGBT inverter technology, and multiple protection systems, this welder meets TÜV and ANSI standards, ensuring durability, overheating prevention, and long-lasting safety. Backed by a 2-year quality service guarantee, it's perfect for outdoor maintenance, garage projects, farm work, and home DIY. Number 2. TOOLIOM 135A Stick Welder. This 2-in-1 welder delivers reliable performance for both stick and lift TIG welding, handling 6011 and 6013 electrodes with an efficient IGBT inverter power system. It is suitable for mild steel, cast iron, stainless steel, and hard surfacing applications, making it versatile for multiple project types. Built-in features such as anti-stick, arc force, and hot start provide smoother strikes, prevent electrodes sticking, and make operations safe and easy even for beginners. The machine is powered by a standard 110V household outlet and includes a digital display with trouble indicators to clearly show welding current. Lightweight and portable, it comes with an adjustable shoulder strap for convenient use and transport between job sites. Lift TIG torch not included, TLWP 17V1025, recommended from TOOLIOM. Number 3. ATOLS Plastic Welder Kit. This multi-purpose plastic welding kit is designed to repair at least 98% of common plastics, making it ideal for fixing bumpers, dashboards, lamp holders, radiators, spoilers, headlights, plastic rings, motorcycle panels, and more. The rapid heating system lets you insert a staple, press the power button, and heat in just 1 to 2 seconds, allowing the staple to melt cleanly into the plastic without burning through. A built-in front light improves visibility for safer and more precise repairs. The stainless steel staples resist rust and come in 6 different types, including flat, wave, inside corner, and outside corner designs to handle a wide range of crack shapes. The wavy style maximizes load strength, creating durable repairs that withstand shock and twisting. With an ergonomic rubber handle for comfortable, fatigue-free use, this portable kit includes a plastic welder, pliers, a carry case, and 1,000 assorted staples to get you started immediately. Number 4. Lincoln Electric 90i FC Flux Core Wire Feed Welder. The Lincoln Electric Weld Pack 90i FC is a portable, corded electric wire feed welder designed for residential use and perfect for small welding projects. Powered by any standard 120V outlet, it can weld up to 1/4, making it versatile enough for home workshops, DIY repairs, hobby projects, and even light construction work. The unit includes a full set of accessories: welding gun, nozzle, contact tip, work cable, and clamp, all protected by a durable metal case. Weighing just 15 tlems, it features a lightweight inverter design and a convenient shoulder strap for easy transport, ideal for maintenance and mobile welders. Simple 2-knob controls for wire speed and voltage provide smooth operation, while infinite welding voltage allows fine-tuning for cleaner, more precise welds. User-friendly and efficient, it's a great option for beginners and anyone wanting a reliable welder they can use anywhere. Number 5. 150 Plastic Welder 2-in-1 Plastic Welding Kit. The VCT Celity 208W plastic welding kit delivers rapid heating and strong, reliable repairs using a 110V corded electric design with heat-resistant handles for safe operation. With fast output current, it allows you to embed nails or plastic rods into damaged plastic without harming the surrounding surface, offering 2 repair options: welding rods and hot staples, plus built-in overheat protection for added safety. This upgraded kit includes 1,000 hot staples in 6 types, and 100 plastic rods suitable for multiple materials: ABS, PP, PE, TPE, PC, PAR, PA, LDPE, and TPO, along with patch mesh and cleaning sponges for smooth, professional quality results. Designed for multi-purpose use, it can repair car bumpers, dashboards, motorcycle parts, kayaks, toys, canoes, recycling bins, and many other plastic products. The ergonomic non-slip rubber handle and LED headlamp provide comfort and visibility, making operation easy even in dark or tight spaces. The full package comes complete with a plastic welder, 1,002 staples, 100 plastic rods, stainless steel mesh, aluminum foil, iron smoothing tips, pliers, and more, backed by fast customer support within 24 hours if any issues arise.